Our topic for this afternoon will be about chemical reaction. Now, what is chemical reaction? It is a process in which one or more substances are converted into new substances with different physical and chemical properties. Again, one or more substances is being converted into a new substance. Meaning may ano? May bago nga klase kang chemical or product nga nahimo. Okay? New chemical or new product with different physical and chemical properties. So for example, we have here your fire. Ano ang common na nag-catch ng fire? We have firewood, leaves, newspaper, and plastics. Now, if you have, for example, firewood, if firewood will catch fire, is it chemical reaction?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Ano ang na-form? Ano ang new substance na na-form? Ang ano? Ang aso or ang smoke, and then?
Color. Ang heat.
Ang heat?
Color.
Color? Ano ang new substance? Ano nga ba kung mabakay ang na-form? We have smoke, and then we have charcoal, and then we have ash. Okay. Ang smoke, is it a new substance?
Yes.
Yes, you know. Kaya before nga nagsunog ang kahoy, wala pati smoke. Wala pati smoke, meaning ang smoke is a new substance. Which is ano? Smoke is mainly ano? Ano nga substance? Ano nga substance? Bungara. Mainly it's composed of carbon dioxide. Okay? So how about charcoal? Is it a new substance with a different chemical characteristic or properties? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. How about ash?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Correct. Okay. Meaning, fire or catching fire, any object na nag-caught in fire is undergoing chemical reaction. Correct?
Yes.
Okay, understood. Now, we'll go with rust. Ano na rust natin? Rust is? Salt. Okay. Ano nga mga materials ang commonly nag-rust? We have iron. Now, paano ma-form ang rust? Kumauranan, kumabasa, mabasa ang initan, kumbuhay rin, kumbabayan, ano? Kuralinitan. Actually, ang rust or ang tuktok nag-form kung ano mo ang iron. Pabayaan mo nga naka-expose sa oxygen. Hindi uran, hindi init, kundi oxygen. Hindi magka-oxygen? Sa hangin. So, now, kung pabayaan mo nga naka-expose ang iron sa may oxygen, it will form rust. Di ba? Kung kita, ano ang kabilya nga, dyan sa may kilid lang, di ba? Sa may, for example, sa may balay nyo, kabilya sa kilid. Sometimes nagabuhay, nag-expose sa hangin, nag-form kang rust. Meaning, ang iron na mo ang imong old or ang imong another chemical substance or material, and then the rust will now the new substance or new chemical with a different chemical properties. Okay? Understood? Again makabag na may chemical reaction if there is a conversion of new substances with different chemical and physical property. Kung may na-produce na bago nga material with a different property, whether chemical or physical, makonsider mo nga mahitabo ng chemical reaction. Pareha sa firewood kag sa rust. Okay? Another question. Paano mo ma-prevent na magka-rust ng isa sa iron? hindi na-expose sa hangin. O paano mo siya hindi pag-expose sa hangin? Nag-uong, hindi. Putsuhan mo? Storage room?
Close area.
Nasa closed area? For example, sa mga balaydi. Ano? Pintahan, correct. Ano man mo? Pintahan mo. Para hindi ma-expose sa hangin. Diba? Or ano mo, ilubang mo sa ano? Siminto. Para hindi ma-penetrate kang hangin. Okay? Now, in chemical reaction, there are two types of substances involved. Okay? Again, in every chemical reaction, there are two types of substances that are involved. First is we have your reactant, and then second is your product. Okay? Dalawa ka chemicals or substances ang involved in a chemical reaction. We have the reactant and we have your product. Now, when we say reactant, it is the starting material or substance that enters a chemical reaction. For example, we have here, firewood. Your firewood is now your reactant. Meaning, ang starting material or starting substance, ang ginhalinan kang bago nga substance. Naintindihan? Again when we say reactant, it is the starting material. Diyan maumpisa ang chemical reaction. Ang ihalinan kang chemical reaction. From that reactant, makaproduce kita kang product. Now, the product is the substance that is produced as a result of chemical reaction. Meaning, produkto kang chemical reaction. Ang reactant, amo ang ginhalinan. Ang product, amo ang result na ang katapusan. Or ang na-form na bago nga chemical. Naintindihan? For example, firewood is our reactant. Correct?
Yes.
Now, firewood will become ash plus charcoal plus smoke. Now, if this is your reactant, the ash, the charcoal, and the smoke is now are now your product. Ang na-form ba po nga material. Naintindihan? Sigurado? Okay. Any question?
No.
Wala. Now, paano mo ibutan ang reactant at product? Di mo siya ibutan. Pwede mo siya ibutan sa left or sa right. Then, right or left?
Right to left. Up.
Right or left?
Left to right.
Ang reactant.
Up left. Right.
Usually, dito
Left.
talaga start.
Left.
Sa left. Usually ang usual na arrangement, ang reactant di makita sa walang side kang equation.
Yes, sir.
Left side. And then, sa right side, you have your product. Okay? Usually, left side ang reactant, right side ang product. Ano left side or right side? Equal sign? Anong pagkakaanda? Is it equal sign?
Arrow.
No.
Arrow. Okay? Di ba ito ang arrow? Para sa product. Okay? So we can say that usually, ang reactant makita sa left side kang product.
Yes.
Ang reactant makita sa left side kang arrow. Ang product makita sa right side kang arrow. Okay? Again, ang reactant makita sa left side kang arrow. Ang product makita sa right side kang arrow. Or kung mas mapagtitihan, kung di nagatubang ang nga ulo, ito ang product. Gigihan.
Yes.
Klaro. Again pwede nga sa dama, baliskad. Pero usually, ang usual na ginagamit, ang reactant sa left side kang arrow. Ang product sa right side kang arrow. Okay? Reactant, product. Understood? Now, we have here examples of chemical reaction. Alam mo ito na? Fire or burning. Okay? Next, we have
Bubbling.
ano dyan? Ano ba cause ng bubbles kung i-mix mo? Hapon?
Asido?
Acid? Have you ever done this before? Yes, syempre.
Yes, sir.
Kapira natin, lagi mo bra.
Baking soda.
Baking soda and
Vinegar.
vinegar. Correct. This one is rust.
Rusty.
Tak-tak. Okay? These are all examples of chemical reaction. Understood? Okay. Now, ano ang mga indicator na natabo ang chemical reaction?
Molarcane.
Number one is we have,
Molarcane.
please read Erwin.
Unexpected. Molarcane. An unexpected or new color appears that cannot be explained by the simple mixing.
Okay. An unexpected or new color appears that cannot be explained by simple mixing. Meaning, kung may color change, there is chemical reaction. Tandaan ha, usually, kung may changes in color, there is always chemical reaction. Ang ito yung ba sunrocks yun, di ba? Kung kayo na, sunrocks, kung mabutangan mo sunrocks na pangputi, ang di color nga bayo, nagano gani?
Kalain color lang.
Change color ng ano?
Bayo.
Ang di color nga bayo, naga-dark o naga-light?
Kalain.
Naga-light, so doon naga puti, no?
Yes.
Meaning, there is, naga-ano? Do brown. Kung black, kung red, pink. Kung violet, naga-light violet. Kung blue, sky blue, Charla. Okay, basta may color change, there is, tandaan na, basta may color change, there is chemical reaction. Next, we have gas production or bubbling effect. Din makita ka dyan ang bubbling effect, kung i-mix mo ang vinegar kag ang baking soda, nagkakos kang bubble. Ang bubble nga ra is an example of gas production. Meaning, ang bubble nga na-produce mo, there is carbon dioxide. That's why nga nag-bubble or nag-bubble because naka-produce kang carbon dioxide. Okay? Now, if there is a bubble, meaning there is a formation of a new substance. Okay? Nagbukal or nag-cause ng bubble pero wala man wala man pabukalan. Meaning, okay? Pilihan. Again ha, nagbukal, kung isama mo ang dalawa ka chemical, and then nagbukal, nag-produce kang bubble, there is chemical reaction. Naintindihan? Ano una gani? Color change and then gas production. Next, we have formation of a precipitate or a new solid. Please read somewhere.
Formation of a precipitate. A solid appears when two clear solutions are mixed, forming an insoluble product that was not there before.
Okay. Let's say for example, you have here beaker, sorry. Ang beaker may solid nga, let's say, chemical. And then, you have another beaker na may solid man niya, chemical. Paglantaw mo, warati solid sa first chemical, warati solid sa may second chemical. They are all liquid. Okay, now, ginbubo mo dyan chemical sa aming chemical, nag-mixan ka, dahil may na-form ng mga do baras or do bato nga color puti. Okay? That is now what we call your precipitate. Meaning, if nag-form yung mga solid particles, kung isabo mo, darawa ka liquid, that is an example of a chemical reaction. Okay? Formation of precipitate. Okay? Kung gisamo mo, darba ka liquid substance, pag samo mo, may na-form ng mga puti-puti nga daw baras o daw bato kagaragmay, that is an example of a precipitate. Meaning, kung nag-form ng precipitate, there is chemical reaction. Hindihan? Have you ever noticed that one? Naka-notice ka mo ran? Nag-isa mo, kung dalawa ka chemical, tapos nag-form kang daw puti-puti. Wala pa? Okay. You will have that experience when you do the laboratory. Okay? Sige. Next, we have, of course, temperature change without external heating or cooling. Wala mo din pa initan, wala mo din pa ramigan. Nag-temperature change na tayo na. Okay? The mixture becomes noticeably warmer or exothermic or cooler or endothermic due to energy being released or being absorbed during bond breaking and forming. Okay? Now, in chemistry, if there is a sudden change in temperature, there is chemical reaction. Okay? Now, kung may sudden change in temperature, dalawa lang pwede. Mainit o kung maraming. Mainit, what we call exothermic. Nagkaroon na. Kainit, nagano siya? Ginano ng energy. For example, mix mo ang dalawa ka chemical. Okay? Pag mix mo, naggulpi init ang beaker. Meaning, ano ang mga reaction? Exothermic, kay init. Now, ginaano na ang energy? Ginapagwa. Gina-release na ang energy. Intindihan? Kung ginmix mo ang dalawa ka liquid, kag nag-init ang imong solution or ang imong ginaobra, that is exothermic. Meaning na gano? Nag-release kang energy. Now, if ginmix mo ang dalawa ka chemical, dalawa ka substance, kag pag-mix ng danay mong aramig or nag-cold ang temperature, that is endothermic. Meaning ginano ng energy? Gina-absorb na. Naintindihan? Again ha, kung temperature change, there is chemical reaction. Dalawa lang pwede. Endothermic or exothermic. Exothermic release of energy and endothermic absorption of energy. Okay? Naintindihan? Ha? Klaro ha? O ano ang first indicator ka chemical reaction? Color change. Next? Gas production. Formation of precipitate. And we have temperature change. Now, we have also change in odor or emission of light or energy. A new smell appears or light or sound is produced indicating new substances and energy changes. Meaning, kung may nasimutan ikaw ng something, meaning there is chemical reaction. Ano? Kung guma nga ano, nasunog, there is chemical reaction. Haba sa buhok mo. Kung masunog ang buhok mo, nag-release ng ano? Baho, di ba? There is chemical reaction. Intindihan? Haba sa itlog. Itlog. Itlog manok yan ang itlog na. Kung ang itlog fresh, ano smell na? Langsa. Kung ang itlog hindi fresh, daw? Baog ka ba? Ano ang release ng smell? Ano nga odor? Daw ano? Ito na-explain. Okay. Sige. Have you ever experienced that one?
Yes, sir.
Ano ito ba? Nag-cause ng chemical reaction nga nag-produce kang change in odor? Na ano? Nabaog? Lubog ka, tapos?
Napapangin na yung 5
Okay. Sige. Ano pa?